let's get serious. I ain't no Superman when it comes to Twitch. You know, I get roughly 30 to 40 viewers depending on what I'm doing, but I'm not a big streamer. Just wanted to put that in there just before we start. By the way, my name is Ryan. I stream on Twitch pretty much every day at 3:30 UK time. What's the time? I'm probably streaming now. Come jump in. Links in the description. Fam! Before we start, I just want to say, drop a like for my YouTube channel, because it's small, and I want it to grow! Thank you. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the same question that I always get every single day, which is, have you got any tips for Twitch? And the quick answer is no. But the long answer is, of course I do. I mean, of course I do. I've got tips. Whether or not they'll work for you, I've got tips. Okay, hey! PG tips. I want this video to be like a discussion. I want people to comment below any questions you have about Twitch, any streaming things that you have, anything to do with Twitch or streaming or software or microphones, webcams, anything. Do not comment saying, how do I get more viewers? How do I get more followers? Because you will never get more viewers and followers by asking those questions. You need to understand how to stream, what to stream, like where, why, who, why, what, where. You need to understand the basics before you will get any views. You're not going to get anywhere unless you understand how streaming works. Like what is streaming? Like, streaming is such a weird thing, isn't it? Like, talking to people all over the world, but you have to know what to do. You have to do it right. You have to do it the correct way. And if you understand that, then maybe you will get some viewers. There's a lot of stuff like this already on YouTube, you know. But if you want to know from me, then leave it below and I'll talk to you from my perspective, my opinions. I know Harris Heller knows exactly what he's talking about. He's a goddamn beast. But I have different opinions to him. I mean, sometimes I would agree with him or a lot of what he says. Sometimes I disagree as well. I'm not even joking. I love you, really. So, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope I can help you with whatever you need help with. You just got to tell me what you need help with. Be specific. And have a good day. Goodbye.